Sobrang nakakatuwa yung experience ko nung pumunta ako dito sa World Food Expo dito sa SMX Pasay. Merong entrance fee na 400 but it's all worth it. Ito kasi yung biggest food and beverage trade show in the Philippines. Lahat dito mag-e-enjoy, business owner, customer, or foodie just like me. Marami kang matatry dito and they're all for free. Sure na sure ako na hindi ka uuwing gutom pag galing ka dito. Nagsama-sama dito yung mga supplier ng food and beverage businesses, international tsaka local. Kabi-kabila yung live cooking demo, may product showcase, and cooking and baking competition made possible by Philippine Culinary Cup. Pero ang pinaka na-enjoy ko dito is nakatry ako ng iba't ibang klase ng food. Participating businesses offers free taste of their products. Yung ibang new products pa nga wala pa sa market but you get a chance to taste it here. This event is running simultaneously in SMX Convention Center and World Trade Center from August 6 to 9 and that's 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. And if you're interested, you could go online to register and get a QR code. And then pagdating mo dito, magbabayad ka lang ng 400 pesos. Then you can start enjoying the event.
Kaya ano pang inaantay mo, punta ka na, 2 araw na lang to dito, yung susunod baka next year na. Follow for more!